Make a great choice today with 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rollover protection system, headlights auto off, mirror memory, steering wheel controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.